terms and visuals. Last week we watched a video on odd and even numbers, so students are familiar with everything in this learning center. Also during physical education, we played red light, green light, and so that's why I have the traffic signs and the symbols here to represent that, because students need to know when to go on to the next activity, when to slow down and record, when they were finished, and when to stop, and if they need help. So our first one is counters count. I have an 100s chart, and all students will have these little blocks here, and they will put each block on an odd and an even number. So if I was to ask Randy to put a block on an even number, which number would you pick? Any even number? 4. Good job. The second one is less or more. So students will be asked to draw a triangle or a square and tell me how many sides do they have. So, Lachey, how many sides does a triangle have? 3. And is 3 an odd or an even number? Good job. The third one is a twin story where students will actually work online to follow a story about twins and how they share materials. How many people, what number of people come in twins? Anybody? 2. Good. Which is a even or odd number? Even. Good. The fourth one, add and subtract. There's 5 problems here, and students are to either add and subtract them and let me know if their answer is even or odd. The fifth one, 2 colors. They have a worksheet, which you guys have. They are to color in all the even numbers blue and all the odd numbers yellow. The sixth one is number board, where basically I let the students know that even numbers start with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. At that time, they'll create 5 different numbers, both even and odd. And the last one is an assessment, which is to be done online, and there's 2 different ones, where basically students will be asked different questions, and they'll tell whether that 2-digit number is even or odd. This here is the board. After each activity, they'll write their initials underneath. And my standards for the Learning Center was number sense, algebra and functions, measurement and geometry, and mathematical reasoning.